The 4th of July, a day to celebrate America, eat hot dogs, and kick up your heels. At Timrod Park in Florence, the area's 7th annual Spirit of Florence Festival did just that. But what exactly is the Spirit of Florence?
The community, bringing people together, positive activities.
Our freedom. Lord, we just thank you for the freedom.
And everybody in Florence has a patriotic nature. They come out here and we have a big party.
A party indeed, from rock climbing to having a picnic and just enjoying the band. Music and patriotism were in the air. Florence resident Noreen McFan says homegrown patriotism is what it's all about.
I think it's good for the city to get people involved in the city because our city is so wonderful.
Here at Timrod Park, there are plenty of fun events going on, like making balloon hats, but others know there's a more serious reason for celebrating July 4th. Event organizer Mitchell Floyd says organizing events like these take time, but it's a small price to pay.
So we want to remember our troops who are fighting for our freedom that allow us to celebrate like we're doing today.
It seems to all come down to that bottom line.
Today is a day to thank us, the Lord, for all the freedom that we do have.
In Florence, I'm Elizabeth Lamb, News 13.